Good morning.
And on we'll go.
I just woke up. It is about 9 o'clock and we're gonna get our day started. I'm using my phone flashlight to light this because it's dark as heck downstairs. I'm going to lay in my bed and go on my phone for a little bit, and when I get up out of bed, I will update you guys. So I have made it upstairs now. It is about 9:37. Yeah, I was in bed for a while. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna make some breakfast now, and I think I'm gonna make some waffles. So we're gonna do that. I'm using Bisquick to make my waffles. No, this is not sponsored. I just love Bisquick. So I'm gonna make my waffles. So I've finished making breakfast. We have extra waffles over here that I'm going to put in the fridge for later this week. We have my breakfast, and I just have a cup of milk. So I'm going to eat this and just kind of scroll through social media, maybe watch a YouTube video. Once I've finished and cleaned up, I will update you guys afterwards. So I have cleaned up mostly from breakfast. I still have to put away the waffle maker, but I'm letting that cool down. Today's going to be a really busy day. We have lots to get done, so that means I need to get a move on. Next, I'm going to hop in the shower. So I'm going to kind of, I guess, run you through my shower routine. So I'm just going to run you through the products that I use, and if you are curious about purchasing them, I will have a link to them in the description box. First things first, I use the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. This is what I've been using this entire summer. They're just the moisture-rich ones. So for face wash, I use the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. When I want to shave, I use the EOS Shave Cream and Vanilla Bliss. And last but not least, body wash, I use the Clean On Me by Soap & Glory. So that is my shower routine pretty much. I'm going to hop in the shower and I will see you guys when I'm out. So I just got out of the shower, as you can tell. I'm on to my skincare routine. Once I'm done with that, I'll show you my outfit. I figured I'd run you guys through my skincare routine, show you what I do to keep my skin clear, I guess. If you want me to do like an in-depth skincare routine, like, let me know. I can do a video just dedicated to how I take care of my skin. So I actually picked up a Target beauty box, and it had this Pixie Rose Tonic Nourishing Toner in the box. I've been using this for the past couple of days, and I really like it. It has a nice smell to it, and the other toner that I had was like, you could tell that it had alcohol in it, but this one does not. So it's just like, it doesn't like burn my eyes when I put it like by my eyes. I've really been liking this. Once I run out, I'm probably going to get either the bigger version of the Rose Tonic, or I've heard that the Glow Tonic by Pixie is also really good. So let me know if you've tried either of those down in the comments. So after that, I will take the e.l.f. Hydrating Serum with purified water, aloe, and green tea. Honestly, I'm not like obsessed with it, but it's decent. I just take like 2 pumps of that because serum goes a long way, and I just rub it all over my face and down onto my neck. If you guys use a particular serum, that you really like, let me know in the comments. So for moisturizer, I use the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. My skin is very, very dry, whether it is winter, summer, spring, fall. It is dry all the time, so I like to use a thick moisturizer. So again, I bring that down my neck. And then the very last step is using the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist made with rose water. That is my skincare routine. So I'm fully ready for the day, and I figured I would give you guys a little bit of an OOTD. If you look really closely at my feet, you can see my Choco Tan lines. That's from camp. So I have these shorts on. They're just black, maybe Champion shorts. They are from Target, and I really love them. These have been like my shorts all summer. And then my shirt I actually made. That is the fit. My next task is to clean. I have a lot to clean. I'm going to show you right now. So, obviously I need to make my bed. My little side table needs to get organized. I have so much clothes over there. My basement is just a total disaster. I'm gonna get to cleaning. Okay, so I just got done partially cleaning my bedroom. It is good for the most part. I just have to bring a couple things upstairs and outside to recycle. My next task is to clean my car. So my dad is on his way over to help put a license plate bracket on the front of my car, and then I got a license plate that was from Hawaii that I'm going to put on the front of it, and I'll show you when it's done. And then I'm going to wash the inside of it, as well as go to the car wash to get a car wash. Okay, so my dad just left. I got the license plate put on my car, so I'll show you. It's a cute little Hawaii and says Aloha on it. I have to put in some windshield washer fluid, and then I'm going to clean the inside and then the outside. Okay, so sorry if the lighting is whack, but I just finished cleaning the inside of my car, so there's no more dust, no more crud. Oh, hi Daisy. Oh, hot. So now I think I'm going to take a lunch break because it is 1:17, and I'm going to come back out and wash my car. So that is the plan now. I'll walk you guys through what I'm going to have for lunch, and then we're going to come back out and clean my car. Sorry about the lighting. There's nothing really I can do about it. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about what I'm making for lunch, and kind of just like talk to you, because if I talk to someone about my goals, then I'm more likely to do it. So right now I'm just making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I've been wanting to eat healthier recently, so I'm trying to do meal planning and kind of prepping before I start school. And I'm going to do a video on this once I get like a pattern down, but I really want to do like a how I bullet journal and how I like plan out my meals and stuff like that, because I'm going to have some really, really long days ahead of me in college. It saves money to buy food at home and then like make something at home instead of buying it pre-made on campus. I want to really get into shape this year. So now that I got that out of my system, I'm going to eat my lunch. It's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and this Chobani flip. I'm going to eat this and we'll update you afterwards. I just finished eating lunch and now I'm going to gather up the things that I need to wash my car because it's very dirty and it needs to be washed. So I'm going to do that. Let's go wash your car. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys the final product. So I just got back inside and I got the mail and there's a couple packages that I wanted to open for you guys. I'm going to quickly change out of these wet clothes and sweaty clothes and then we will sit down and do an unboxing. We have two packages. I'm going to start with the small one and go to the big one. A while ago I ordered something from an ad on Instagram. I think it'd be cool to go on my Instagram and scroll through and buy the first like 3 or 5 things that pop up on my timeline from the ads. Let me know if you think that would be a good idea down in the comments below, but I think that would be really fun. I ordered this super cute little bracelet set. So I got this super cute like blue and seashell little anklet as well as this white one with a little sea turtle on it. Now, Daisy, my mom gets the Walmart beauty box. So, I'm opening it because why not? Oh, cute! So, the first thing I see when I open is some yellow tissue paper and a little, thing that says, Hello Sunshine, going into it. Ooh, this is some good stuff! So, the first thing I see is a Bic Soleil Sensitive razor, which, that's pretty cool. Definitely will use this. Either me, my mom, or sister will use it when we travel. The next is a mini Great Lash mascara by Maybelline. I think I might have to steal this because I've been looking for an eye cream. And this one is by ROC. I don't know. You guys tell me what it is in the comments. It's a retinol correction eye cream which visibly reduces wrinkles around the eyes, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. And let me tell you, I need some help with those dark circles and puffiness. So I think I'm going to steal this. There's a aloe vera Nivea body lotion package. And next is a conditioning lip serum. That sounds interesting. Next thing, oh yes! I'm for sure stealing this. It's a witch hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip and mouthwasher. They get clogged very easily, so like these things help. But that was everything that was in the beauty box. So yeah, that is exciting. I'm glad I found a couple good finds in that box. I am going to head out now so I can go pick up my mom. We can get some food. So I'll see you guys when I get back with my Subway. So it is 4:45 now, and I just got back. We actually ate at Subway. So now I'm going to go downstairs and start cleaning my office area because it is a total disaster. It looks like a tornado went through it, and it needs to be cleaned. So, as you can see, I cleaned up my area. There's still some things that I need to like clean up over here, but for the most part, the majority of my mess is over in my office area. I don't even want to show it to you guys because it's a little embarrassing. But, this is it. I have stuff from camp, stuff for school, boxes from Chegg for my books, stuff all up there that needs to be cleaned. I really don't want to do this, but I need to. We are going to clean until there is no more mess. I am going to focus on cleaning, so I probably won't film. So it's been about like 2 hours since I last updated you guys. It is 6:45 and I have been cleaning like crazy, organizing like crazy. Still not done, as you can tell, but we are making progress. I'm going to continue cleaning. I'm done. It is 7:30. I finished cleaning everything for the most part. So I'll give you guys a little overview of what it looks like. Obviously there are some things that are like not totally clean, but like they'll get fixed eventually. Starting over here, we'll do just like an overview. The only things really are my computer, my backpack, and my phone, which these two I use on the regular. The backpack will be used on the regular. And then I have a couple things on my desk that need to be like sorted out. And then over here, got my bedroom, and then there's like my tripod and my flannel and my Bible on my bed. It is literally almost 9 p.m. now, and I'm literally gonna chill for the rest of the night, so I think I'm just gonna peace out and say goodnight, because I don't have much of a nighttime routine. So I'm gonna peace out for the night. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a nice comment, because why not? And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.